Tripura Statehood Demand Committee will not vote for their candidate for compromising on the demand of Tripraland and Greater Tripraland and join the BJP government. In the end, the Statehood Demand Committee announced their candidate name for West and East Riffa Lok Sabha seat. On Wednesday, Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Aghur Devarma announced their candidate name for East and West Riffa Lok Sabha seat through a press meet. Vishu Kumar Devarma will contest the election in West Riffa Lok Sabha seat and Krishna Mohan Jamatia will contest the election in East Riffa Lok Sabha seat. While speaking at the press meet, Statehood Demand Committee Chairman Aghur Devarma said IPFT has vested the demand of statehood in the year 2009. Similarly, the Tripura Motha Party also did the same mistake, who earlier said with the Greater Tripraland no compromise and no discussion, which is why the Statehood Demand Committee has said therefore demanding for the statehood.
जों चीनी डिमान्डनिख्रुइ याखाया दाउ जरा जों फाइट खालाय दङ दिल्लीआव जों वाइबा थांखा थांनाय 2023 नि सिमि दाउ जरा थाङै दङ दाउ गाबोन बागैनो जों जत लुकुनो जे आलादा राज्य सानाय त्रिपुरालेण्ड सानाय स्टेटहुड सानाय मुजुंनायराव जे त्रिपुरा साराव नंथानि जों कबगो चीनी कैंडिडेट Korungino Krishna Mohan Jamatia ex MDC Vishu Kumar Devarma Bono Uttomno Bohangkai Sal Thangbai Krishna Mohan Kai Sal Kabayo Jeng Pratik Saklaja Jeng Je Dimanotui Himlayo Adiman Anisikang Krishna Mohan Busaka Noini Smithing Tripraland Sanmani, our Duha Adarakaino, Sat Sumundu, Tenodivo, Cotomiroca. Apro and Capru, and Onek Boro Kulka, the Yanka. That was the Bugra Nitomani. No, without Greta Tripraland, no compromise money. Tauto compromise is like type of compromise Clarika. Abonot Kurungui, Kitingui, then statehood Demanotino. Coba kali tungai, cini borongi sarbai melibagai. Obo kuno wani yomi against ya, jeng metanggangan bagi jeng samu kelainya.
Reporter B Amin from Agartala, Chini Khorang.